Saturn Rahu conjunction in Vedic astrology is the most dangerous one, and it is something to be feared of. Even if in Dasha or Antardasha this combination happens, a person's life is totally disturbed and becomes upside down. In transit from 29th March, Saturn and Rahu has come together again after many years. Now, what all this will bring in the world level? Today, I'm going to discuss about that. You can already see that major disturbances have started already. In Myanmar, in Bangkok, the earthquakes has happened. A lot of people have seen destruction in just few days of Saturn transit in the sign of Pisces with Rahu. What all can you expect in these 2 months actually when Rahu and Saturn are together? First of all, when these two planets are together, because Saturn is an airy planet, and when it transits in the most powerful water sign, Pisces, powerful in the sense that Pisces is the sign which represents oceans. So when ocean and the most powerful wind are together, then it creates the most powerful kind of disasters, which can take which can give thousands of life, which can create lot of destructions. So this is just the starting. It's just the beginning. Many more incidences like these are going to happen, and when they are going to happen, where they are going to happen, I'm going to tell you. The people who have to be very careful are the people, especially in the world level. They have to be careful in the regions of Central Asia, which have countries, the Muslim countries, basically Kazakhstan, Turkestan, all these countries. Even parts of UAE has to be careful, because there also some natural calamities can occur, especially earthquakes. Now, the regions of India which are going to suffer are the northern regions, which are Jammu Kashmir, these mountainous areas, Himachal Pradesh, and all these areas, Uttaranchal also, part of Uttaranchal, and part of Rajasthan also. They are also going to have issues in this particular brief area of time. Now, the other regions that are going to have problem are obviously the regions that are coastal areas, who are surrounded by ocean, because obviously Saturn has jumped into ocean sign in the sign of Pisces, so it will create disturbances there. So that has to be taken in consideration. Now, what all can happen in the political level? See, Saturn and Rahu are together, so basically many people are going to be cheated by so-called spiritual gurus in this particular time, because Pisces is the sign of spirituality, moksha, gurus, and it is obviously the sign of Jupiter, and Saturn is there. But Saturn is not alone there, it is with Rahu. So many people have to be, those people who are in search of spiritual master in this particular time, or they are meeting somebody who is a spiritual guru, they are going to get cheated. So they have to be careful. Do not meet any spiritual master, or do not get into spirituality so much in this particular time, in this particular time period, because otherwise you're going to get cheated. Rahu is going to get very brutal in this particular time. Shani and Rahu together, they create death like situations. So people who already have very weak charts, they're going through Shani Mahadasha, Rahu Antardasha, or vice versa, or who have Shani Rahu conjunction in their birth chart, they're also going to suffer a lot. So for uh, remedies, in terms of what remedies you can do, I can just say that chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra and do Shivling Abhishek every day. That is the only thing that can save you in this particular time. Also, Saturn Rahu together in the sign of Pisces can bring a lot of ups and downs in everybody's life also, but in the lives of people who are on a spiritual journey, or who are monks, who are gurus. People who are monks and gurus and spiritual gurus, who used to think that I'm doing really well in spirituality, they will see major fall down. And so you will see some people, who have been saints or monks for 20 years, 30 years, they are going to leave spirituality and get married and do some nonsense stuffs also. So that can also be seen in this particular transit. So if you like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos.